Craig Harrison, huge congratulations, Welsh Cup champions, the treble completed it.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Look, today wasn't a very good game, to be honest. Didn't play our best. It was about trying to win the treble, and it's a fantastic effort from the lads. Connah played their part in it. They give her a tough game, as it's 2-1 again. It's the third 2-1 in a row this season. So you can see, it was a tough game. So yeah, really delighted. There's a few players. It's at the end of the road for a few of the players that win this squad, and what a way to finish.
A competitive game, Craig, and of course you got off to the worst possible start. How pleased were you with the reaction? Yeah,
of course. It's about character, isn't it? It is. It's not how you start, it's how you finished. And I thought the 30 minutes after that first half were very good. First 15-20 minutes were very good. Connah, once we scored the second goal, they've got nothing to lose, so they're put under pressure, but we defend it well.
I know it's been a long old season, a historic season for TNS. To finish it all off, lifting the Welsh Cup, the 10th time TNS will win this cup as well. Just what does it mean?
No, it's brilliant. It's brilliant. And go away, have a few days off, and prepare for coming back in on the 20th of May.
And for you personally, Craig, again, the treble, Europe again to come. Are you ready to do it all over again in a couple of months?
Hope so. The lads have got 3 weeks and a bit off, and so we're going to recover from that, and and get working again, ready to prepare for Europe.
Craig, diolch yn fawr. Congratulations.